Hey guys, Isaac back from Undeniable with another protein snack review. This is the last of the bulk nutrients protein mousse basically. There's like a healthy dessert. This is caramel, however you want to say it. Serving on these is all the same, so the last three we've done all basically the same stats. So you're looking at like roughly 180 calories, you got 29.2 grams of protein, you got 3.9 fat, and 4.1 grams of carbohydrates. So the best thing about this obviously is that massive amount of protein. It's pretty easy to fit in at the end of your day. And a lot of the time when you are dieting, if you don't have a set meal plan that makes sure you hit it, if you're sort of maybe doing a little bit more flexible dieting sort of thing, you'll find that you normally have a little bit of protein if you're not super diligent about it at the end of the day that you need to make up for. So something like this is a great option. Allows you to sort of just get protein in a different way, and it sort of feels like you're eating a nice little healthy snack. So Mac made it up. This one's caramel, so you can see it's like white inside, which is a little bit different, but should be good. Let's give it a taste test. This one's probably my favorite so far. I've let this one cool down a little bit. We had it in the fridge for the last two, and it makes it a lot thicker once you keep them cool. So I've let this one heat up a little bit, and for me, I like the texture a lot more. Okay. I love the stats. I love the massive amount of protein in them, but like I've said with the last two, when you have that much protein, sometimes you get like this rubbery sort of effect with it. I feel like you get that with this. Also, the flavor is more smell than taste. So it's another thing, I guess, common with protein products is because you have the protein so high and you pretty much have nothing else in there. You've only got 4 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fat. There's nothing else you can really do to add sort of more flavor and sort of texture and everything like that in there. So that's probably this thing's biggest weakness, the mousse, is it sort of lacks depth of flavor in it. So yeah, it's nice, it's got a good texture, it's got a heap of protein in it, but flavor's lacking in my opinion, and I feel like it should be lighter and fluffier if it's going to be a mousse. So I like them. They're a great way to get that extra protein in at the end of the day. If you're sort of if it fits your macros or something like that, and you're tracking as you go along. But for me, it's a healthy dessert in a sense that it's going to keep those carbs low and fat low, but I don't feel like I'm sort of getting something for nothing, if that makes sense. Like I did with the protein pancakes earlier this week, they have a heap of protein in them, and I was worried they're going to have the same sort of rubbery texture about them, but they were actually really, really good. And I felt like I wasn't losing anything out by having pretty much no fat in them. So they were a great example of how to do it sort of right. These are still good, but I don't feel like I'm getting something for nothing. I know I'm having a protein sort of dessert, if that makes sense. So again, this one's probably going to say the same, 5.5 again, guys. A little bit disappointed with the mousse, but again, the stats on the back say it all. It's hard to do. It's hard to get something for nothing with those kind of stats, 30 protein, 4 and 4 basically. So that's it for today, guys, and we'll catch you again tomorrow, Monday, start again.